Welcome to Karen's Kitchen. So it's the holiday season and it's always great to have snacks ready, healthy snacks. So today I'm going to make egg muffins. So I have this really cool little silicone muffin tray and it's a great way to get your broccoli, cruciferous vegetables, which are really good for you for your epigenetic potential, let's just say. And I actually bought this organic broccoli, can you believe, from Walmart. Walmart has organic vegetables, the little florets, and I put them in my little secret gadget. Now you can't be without one of these in the kitchen. It's a little ninja gadget. I put my broccoli florets in there, I plug it in, hit the button. Ah, it's now just already grated for me, and I've put them already in my little silicone trays here. I sprayed each little pad with avocado oil. I like avocado oil or coconut oil. Either one is great. And I put at the bottom of each of the little pads here, I put my broccoli. And then I have in this dish 6 eggs and half a cup of organic egg whites. And you mix it up, and then all you do is you put a little in each of the little muffin trays here. It's so simple. There'll be smaller ones and bigger ones. Let me finish up this one here. My oven is already preset to 350 degrees. Put a little too much in this, so let's just dish this over here. And then I get my little Mrs. Dash salt-free spice. I really like this chipotle one. And I just throw a little bit of this in each one to your own liking. And you put that in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You pull it out of the oven, let it cool, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. They're cool. Or have your first one when it's hot, because they taste really good. And they last in the fridge for 4 days. So it's a great way to have a healthy snack or a meal on the run in this really busy time.